Best wheel brushes provide deep cleaning in tight spokes and rims, removing stubborn brake dust, grime, and dirt safely and efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best wheel brushes for detailed cleaning that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Exoforma Bendable Brush Set. This 2-in-1 bendable wheel brush set is an excellent solution for anyone who wants spotless wheels without the hassle of removing them. The combination of a large 3-inch brush and a smaller 1.25-inch brush makes it easy to reach every part of the wheel, from wide barrel sections to tight spaces around lug nuts and center caps. The flexible design allows the brushes to bend into difficult angles, making deep cleaning faster and more effective. Built with chemically resistant wool carpet fibers and durable polypropylene, these brushes are tough on brake dust, road grime, and dirt while remaining safe for all wheel finishes. The smooth rubber tip helps prevent accidental scratches, giving added confidence during use. The comfortable EVA foam grip provides excellent control and reduces hand fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. Overall, this wheel brush set delivers professional-level results, excellent versatility, and wheel-safe performance, making it a valuable addition to any car detailing kit. Now our second product is Speedmaster Wheel Brush. This wheel brush set delivers an impressive balance of cleaning power, versatility, and wheel-safe performance. Designed to tackle stubborn brake dust, road grime, and dirt, it works effectively on all wheel types without leaving scratches or swirl marks. Whether you have chrome, painted, alloy, or custom-finished wheels, the soft yet durable bristles provide a safe and thorough clean point. One of its standout features is the patented memory bristle technology, which allows the brushes to maintain their shape even after repeated use. The chemical-resistant construction ensures long-term durability, making them ideal for regular detailing tasks, including wheel wells and engine bays. The inclusion of 2 brush sizes greatly enhances usability. The 18-inch full-size brush reaches deep into wheel barrels and hard-to-access areas, while the 13-inch mini brush excels in tight spaces such as narrow spokes, grills, and intricate wheel designs. Together, they provide complete coverage and professional-level results, making this set a valuable tool for maintaining a spotless vehicle. Our third product is Generic Long Handle Wheel Barrel Brush. This wheel barrel brush is an excellent detailing tool for achieving a deep, professional quality clean without risking damage to your wheels. Its ultra-soft microfiber bristles effectively capture and remove stubborn brake dust, road grime, and debris from deep inside wheel barrels while remaining gentle on delicate finishes. Whether your wheels are chrome, polished aluminum, powder-coated, or painted, the non-scratch design ensures a spotless finish without marring or dulling the surface. The extended ergonomic handle is a standout feature, allowing easy access behind spokes and into hard-to-reach barrel areas while keeping your hands and knuckles protected. The thick microfiber head retains a generous amount of soap and cleaning solution, providing continuous lubrication and rich foam for more efficient cleaning across multiple wheels. Additionally, the lightweight and well-balanced construction reduces hand, wrist, and arm fatigue during long detailing sessions. Combining reach, safety, comfort, and cleaning performance, this wheel barrel brush is a valuable addition to any car care routine. Now number 4, Viking Wheel Barrel Brush. This 17.25-inch wheel cleaning brush is a highly effective tool for anyone looking to achieve professional-level wheel detailing with minimal effort. Its long reach makes it easy to clean deep inside wheel barrels and other hard-to-access areas that are often missed during routine washes. The protective end cap and built-in knuckle guard add an extra layer of safety, helping prevent accidental scratches to both wheels and hands. The densely packed blend of bristles and fibers delivers excellent surface contact and agitation, quickly loosening stubborn brake dust, dirt, and road grime. Despite its strong cleaning performance, the brush remains safe for a wide range of wheel finishes, including chrome, painted, gloss, and aluminum surfaces. Its chemical-resistant construction allows use with wheel cleaners, car shampoos, detergents, and other detailing products without deterioration. The flexible bristles compress easily between the rim and brake disc, ensuring a thorough, scratch-free clean. Ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles, this brush is a versatile addition to any detailing kit. And our last choice is OEC Professional 4-pack Long Handle Wheel Brush. This 4-piece wheel and tire cleaning brush set is a complete detailing solution designed to keep your wheels looking showroom fresh. The kit includes 2 ultra-soft synthetic plush brushes for wheel surfaces and tight cracks, a detailing brush for lug nut cavities, and a stiff tire brush for deep tire cleaning. Together, they provide everything needed for a thorough wheel and tire maintenance routine. The standout feature is the scratch-free design. The metal-free construction and exceptionally soft plush fibers make the brushes safe for all wheel finishes, including painted, polished, and coated rims. The thick fibers hold a generous amount of cleaning solution, helping lift brake dust, dirt, and grime with minimal effort while improving cleaning efficiency. The flexible plush brushes can bend up to 360 degrees, allowing easy access to hard-to-reach areas behind spokes and inside wheel barrels. Comfortable silicone grips provide secure handling, while the high-quality synthetic fibers rinse clean and dry quickly. Overall, this versatile set offers excellent cleaning performance, convenience, and value for both enthusiasts and professionals. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.